In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn ClickFunnels effectively. Whether you're completely new to the world of ClickFunnels or just looking to sharpen your skills, it's crucial to know where to start your learning journey. One of the most effective ways to dive into ClickFunnels is by leveraging online courses and tutorials designed specifically for beginners. A fantastic resource to consider is Udemy, a platform that's known for its wide variety of courses on virtually any topic you can imagine. Now, what's great about Udemy is that they offer highly rated courses that cater to different learning preferences and levels. Among the plethora of options available, there's one course that stands out: the Ultimate ClickFunnels Training Course plus Free Funnels. This course is particularly excellent for beginners who want a comprehensive introduction. Let's take a closer look at what makes this course valuable. Firstly, it provides you with funnels that are ready to deploy right away. This is a huge time saver and a practical way to get hands-on experience. You won't just be learning theoretically, but right from the start, you'll have ready-to-use tools at your fingertips. Additionally, this course delves into funnel optimization strategies. Understanding and applying these strategies can significantly impact how effectively you use ClickFunnels to achieve your desired outcomes. Optimization strategies involve fine-tuning various elements of your funnels, such as layout, content, and call-to-action placements, to increase conversion rates. It's also worth noting the importance of funnel design within ClickFunnels. A well-designed funnel not only enhances the user experience, but also guides potential customers through your sales process seamlessly. In this course, you'll learn about the best practices in funnel design and how to apply them. As you progress through your learning journey, don't be afraid to experiment. Trying out different strategies and settings within ClickFunnels will deepen your understanding and potentially lead to new insights that you hadn't considered before. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in creating funnels that truly convert. Another tip to enhance your learning experience is to engage with the community. Udemy and ClickFunnels both have vibrant communities where users share tips, tricks, and success stories. Joining these communities can provide you with additional support and inspiration as you embark on your ClickFunnels journey. Remember that learning a new tool takes time and patience. Be sure to pace yourself and don't get discouraged by setbacks. They're part of the learning process, and each challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. With these insights, you're well on your way to mastering ClickFunnels. So, whether you're using it to build your business or just exploring new skills, taking that first step with a structured course can make all the difference. Happy learning, and I hope you find success with ClickFunnels.